wandering off into nothing and picking up the ladder siege tower, you stupid clowns. No! To your right! Look! Look at it! Look how big it is, how great it is as you pick up one end of the ladder after the other.
Everybody go to the right. Everybody go to the right.
Siege tower, you fucking animals. What is wrong with you guys? How hard is this? There's a giant siege tower right here.
Hold shift. Shift W. Go forward. Come on, guys.
Come on. Are you actually mounted?
You to mount ladders.
You gotta drop it to
Gentlemen, guys, heads up with this ram. It will take you way too long to get through that. Certain. If you go through on the left here, I think you go into their building. Might be able to get through it.
Press Q to mount.
Go there, you gotta go through.
Wait, why is it so hard? Come on, just get into the queue in the thing.
We got trolls knocking into here.
You guys are all funny and walking at it.
Press Q to mount.
De venir.
If you guys hit here, this would be good. I don't think so. We had 4 rams hitting it.
And your archers, there's a swordsman.
I mean, if they hit this, it would take
Hit the fucker.
Fuck him up! Fuck him up! What are you getting? Charge, guys, gates down, gates down. Go, go, go! Get in that fight and start stabbing! Go. Get back down!
With us now, mate. You're trapped in here with us.
Kill them all! Kill as many as you can, lads! We're dying as well! Guys, get the ladder, go! Left side, grab ladders. dudes, can you not stand right in the way of the fucking ladders?
You have the love of humanity in your hearts.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
The unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural.
Slaughter
Soldier,
them all.
slavery, Exodus St. Luke is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one
Secure the
man.
ladder! Secure the ladder! Oh.
You, the people, have the power to...
Oh my god, I made it out with my life. From the left. Oh my god. Shield wall. Shields in the front, shields in the front.
Stop every day.
Bro, what kind of fear rate makes you just...
Push the shield wall up, push the shield wall up. Go onto the
If
shield
you're behind us, Asians forward, Asians forward. Back line, hold space.
Wiggle on up there.
Guys, they cannot hit through the gate, don't be pussies. If you're on the southern line, press space to help your friends. Don't be... Also, don't stand still with the other screen, you're not getting anyone over you. You have to be next to it. Come on.
Don't walk in... What the fuck is happening?
Are we trying to turn left or right? What are we doing?
Push the fucking siege tower.
Guys, stop deploying it. The tower stops if you deploy it.
Whoever deployed it.
Get on it. Somebody get on it.
Yo, Panda. Can you stop fucking deploying the tower? I don't care if you want to get off there.
Mr. Panda?
Guys, please.
You are stopping this from being useful.
Just wait till you
Kill
come,
them.
guys.
Kill them. Kill them. Shoot them with arrows. Shoot anybody down here with arrows.
What the fuck is that?
This is fucking gold.
Yeah, it's this fucking Mr. Panda guy.
This is it. This is what happens.
Dude, fucking stop. So someone write it in local.
Fuck them up, man.
Get us open!
Yeah, come on, go, go, go! Oh, special or something?
Yeah, it's this guy.
It's not us. It's this ancient doing it. It is not us, okay? You need to kill the ancient first.
Oh, archers! Archers! Shoot the guy on the top! Archers! Shoot the guy on the top of the ram!
Get him.
Archers! Kill him! Kill him!
Reclaim the
God, there's an enemy at the top of the ram! Yeah, shoot him! Shoot him!
Oh my god, boys, come on. Come the fuck on. Just go forward. Just go forward. Stop.
Oh, fucking get off.
It.
Jiggery!
No ladder.
Don't climb, guys. Don't climb. If you're not at the top, don't climb.
Get up the ladder, dude. What are you doing? Get up it.
I'm trying to put it up.
Yeah, well, we got
Oh, man!
stop climbing the
Oh!
ladder. Stop climbing the fucking ladder, guys. Honestly.
Get him, come on.
To just be so,
Can you
to be
get
so
off the
fucking
fucking
brain
tower?
dead.
Hey, guys, you're stopping.
Dude, are you serious?
Who the fuck put it on?
Subhuman
It's this
fucking-
alley.
Look at this alley urchin trying to climb the ladder. Look at these stupid subhuman animals. Look at you go. There you go, buddy. Stop absolutely
There's literally an enemy at the top. He is the one deploying it.
Wait.
We gotta get him off. We gotta get him off.
There we go. Yeah, let's
Get him off, come on.
I can't get up this ladder.
People, if anyone
To get
falls
him.
off,
We need an archer.
No, you can't try it.
What, is someone on the left side
exactly
dying?
who's
Second
deploying
going.
the
Take that spot.
equipment while he's holding
I hate
shit up
people.
there, fucking big brain.
Keep pushing forward. Grab it. Somebody grab it. Go forward. Grab it. Go forward.
Keep going, push.
Push.
Oh, fuck. Get off the ladder. It's not deployed yet.
Phoenix 2, you're a fucking douchebag.
Don't climb, don't
We need
climb.
more people right side. More people right side.
You get on a bar and push it forward.
Shift forward. Don't deploy the fucking ram.
Stop deploying it.
It's that forward guy again. I like
man.
that.
We need people defending the fucking people holding it. We need people holding shields up. Hold shields and defend the people. Come on the left side with your shields. We're getting shot more on the left side. We
You're
need
doing
to
like you don't want the brain cells to
would be
together.
nice.
What is my place?
forward. Oh god.
Fucking said it.
I'm gonna just keep
at
putting
him
the
go.
Please stop pressing E and flying. I'm just gonna keep putting back up. We need people on left side. Guys, the ram needs to move.
Guys, form up on the right, on the right.
I mean, honestly, how little
It's
fucking
this territory.
No, I want to take it back up.
Okay.
Don't worry. We need people on left side, but I think the
Right
ram
side, back left side, forward. Come on.
Guys, someone get left side, move the ram. Before someone fucking comes and deploys it, quick.
Grab it, please
Front
grab
left,
it.
front left, no,
Oh my fuck.
Right side, back left side, forward.
What's going on here? What's going on? Push forward! Push
The
forward!
right side, back left side, forward. Come on.
push it. We need more people.
Grab some plus man.
We need an archer to shoot this guy at the top of the fucking tower.
No, it's up.
Yeah, get him. Climb up and get him.
He can't climb up. He's blocking the ladder. We need an archer to shoot him.
Come on, set up ladders. Get him.
Fiddle lines. Protect your men with the shields. Protect your men. Shift forward. Left side. Get on.
Get on the ladders. Get him. Come on.
Get off the ladder. What are you doing?
Please get off the ladders.
Don't get on the ladder. I swear to fucking God. All right.
Hey, to the wall, people. This tower is at 25%. You can finish it off easily.
Push it. Oh my God! Stop fucking opening the ladder, you idiots!
Nah, it's an enemy this time.
Oh, it's this one.
There's an enemy of your ladders.
Guys, get this enemy out the bottom.
Alright, push.
No, he's on the tower, guys.
Kill the enemy.
There's an enemy.
Oh, wow. Alright, boys. There's ladders on the left side. Get to the left.
Ladders on the left. Shift left.
All our base all belong to us.
Ladder up on the
Left, a little bit.
Right side hold W, left side hold S. Right side hold W. How much?
That's good. Forward. Just go forward.
Okay, everybody forward. Shift W. Shift W.
For freedom! Freedom!
1 HP.
Fucking nigga, come to me.
Freedom! I'm freedom! I'm Lionheart! Bring the top!
Yeah, okay. Left forward, right back. Left forward. Five!
How do we get to the left?
Coming in on the right side. Coming in on the right side. Kill those guys.
Wall up!
Push in the tower. Do not let it kill it.
Left push.
Defender Sally.
Everyone on the right.
Defender box 2.
Guys are standing on the right side.
This guy's not on it. There's nobody on this one. Back, Florida man. Pull back on the right. Yeah, there we go. Florida man is dead. Perfect. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Pull back on the right, pull back on the right, pull back on the right, go
Men,
forward.
they opened the gates. They're pushing out. They're pushing out right here, man. Straight in front of us. We need more. We need more. We need more.
Protect the gates! Protect the gates!
Abandon this. Abandon the tower. Abandon the tower.
Abandon the tower. Get in. Get in. We need spears. Wall up over here. On the flag. On the flag. There's space. You attach yourself to something.
Push, guys. Push, guys. Push.
You guys had 30 minutes to win.
Push space. If you're in the back, push space.
You guys had 30 minutes to win. You guys suck.
Die met die fucking... Hij sprintde die met zijn vlag hier rond. Hoe kan die bro's dood? Dat is ons bro's aan die slag.
Oh, I'm gonna get your booty cheek. Oh, I'm gonna get your booty cheek. Grab a ramp, quick. Need 4 people.
Oh, quick, yeah, funny. I got him off the siege step.
Grab this shit, grab it, please. Please, help me grab it. Please. Yeah, help me. Zeus! Help, grab this ramp, grab the ramp. Fuck the tower. Why are they also trying to do the tower? Push. Give up. We need to get in.
No, don't get a ramp. Keep going. It'll work the 50th time, I swear.
No, it will not. We already failed.
It'll work.
We hit it the first time.
Wall up, people. Wall up. You gotta believe in yourself. You can do it.
Get the fuck
Keep
off.
trying.
1 HP, Brian, 1 HP.
Shield, swordsmen, hold your shields. Spearmen, keep going.
Shoot the guy on the ladder.
Good at the ladder.
Archers, shoot the guy on the ladder. Shoot my asshole.
It's hard because of the shield.
Archers, shoot the guy on the ladder.
Yeah, I think they got him.
One more line, you guys. One more line. One more line,
Get off the ladder. We need you on the fire.
Watch out,
Off the ladder. Oh my god, it's back on.
Enemy right here.
Shoot MM flying. Shoot him.
Archers, shoot the enemy here. Archers, shoot the enemy on the ladder. Pull back.
Pull back, guys. Pull back.
Defend it. Kill that guy. Pull back, somebody grab it. Pull back.
I was gonna try and ram back.
Come back.
You guys are dying. Pull back.
Alright, move it.
Push, guys. Push.
Push.
How to shoot?
Hold down right mouse button.
Push it. Everybody, we need 2 more on the right. Alright, go. No, you shield them. Go, move. Don't deploy the ladder.
They're back on the tower. Archers, focus your fire on the tower back. Pick off the ones that aren't being protected by shield. Forward rollers, push the siege tower.
Oh, come on.
They really don't know how to use the tower.
They hit me.
Yeah, step aside. What the fuck are you doing, man?
Pick them off. If their shields are facing you, proceed to switch fire modes to arc over their shield.
left side as well needs someone. Left side's missing 3 people.
This guy's gonna get on the ladder.
Kill him.
Right side needs 2 people. Guys, don't get off the left. Don't get off the left. What are you doing?
Oh my god,
Don't worry, Advance. I'm watching you, Advance. I got you.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
It's alright. I'll protect you with my shield.
Thanks, man.
Well, shit's not working, Advance. I'm sorry.
Right side, forward, left side, backwards.
Alright, Advance. I'm sorry you died.
Right side.
Valerian, backwards, come on, dude.
Come on, guys, get on the right.
Valerian,
Forwards,
backwards.
everyone.
Archers, continue fire! The sun shall blow out the sun! There's too many bodies they cannot penetrate.
GG. Good game. Good game. GG, everyone. Fucking hell.
One guy like 30 times.
Oh, I told you to touch you. Today is errors. Just a hail of those.
Spartans, what is your profession?
I'm a cracker. Instead, I need pussies.
My body up.
Push forward.
What's it like being a part of the losing team?
Yeah, I just feel to suck.
Hey, Akuma, it's Akuma down there. I need to know. I made a promise to him.
Guys, making progress, guys.
I'm looking at his face when he laughs. Where's Akuma?
Everybody form up and kill these bastards.
Come now, gentlemen, let us shoot them and stab them. Prepare me to death.
Yo, guys.
Kill these sons of bitches.
What is the difference between a cat and a pair of socks?
I don't know.
A pair of socks doesn't lick itself. pedo, he's a bitch.
I'm supposed to be here.
We have the He's on our team. He's totally on our team. Hello, fellow member of my team.
Yes, of course, I am a fellow contributing member. Oh, okay.